Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Rolling Mansion. This is not a house, this is not a truck, this is a dream that moves. I'm Sahib, and today, I'm going to give you a full tour of the most advanced, most luxurious, most mind-blowing motor ever built. Let's go. Asterisk, before we go inside, look at the size of it. 60 wheels. Over 90 feet long, 2 stories, 5 expandable rooms. This motorhome is not just built for travel, it's built for life. Asterisk, welcome to the cockpit. This is where I drive the beast. Fully electric with hybrid backup, the entire control system is digital. It's voice-activated, AI-powered, and it drives smoother than any luxury car you've ever seen. Asterisk, this isn't a dashboard, it's a cockpit. You feel like a pilot. Asterisk, here's the lounge, fully soundproof. This couch turns into a bed. The table turns into a workstation, and the entire wall becomes a theater screen. You want movie night? You got it. Real kitchen, quartz counters, smart stove, full-size fridge. Everything in this kitchen is optimized for life on the road. Smooth drawers, no rattles, magnetic locks. Power efficient, off-grid capable. Asterisk, laundry in a motorhome. Let that sink in. Asterisk, this hallway feels like a spaceship. All lighting is motion activated. Every panel is storage. And there's more than meets the eye. Asterisk, this is not a truck stop bathroom. This is a spa, heated floor. Rainfall, shower, air dryer, smart toilet with bidet. Asterisk, this is the master suite, soft. Lighting, temperature control, no noise, pure sleep. Asterisk, let me take you to the second floor. Asterisk, this is where I chill, read, think. Sometimes I do yoga. Sometimes I just sit and stare at the stars. Rooftop opens up. Night mode turns on. Every window is dual pane, noise cancelling, and climate controlled. There are solar panels across the top, full array, charging batteries during the day and running everything silently at night. Asterisk, there's a garage at the back with 2 e-scooters, a folding electric bike, and my personal drone case. Asterisk, let's not forget storage, hidden under the floor, behind walls, and even in the ceiling. I designed this place not for vacation, but for lifestyle. Whether I park by the sea, in the forest, or downtown. This is my space. Asterisk, this motorhome is not just for show. I live in it, I work from it, I explore with it. Asterisk, everything runs on solar and backup hybrid. The HVAC system is silent. The lighting adapts to the time of day. Asterisk, if I want to host dinner, there's room for 6 at the expandable dining table. If I want to sleep under the stars, I go to the glass rooftop lounge. This is not just mobility, this is freedom. Asterisk, I named it the Rolling Mansion, because that's exactly what it is. Luxury, technology, and home, all in one. Asterisk, so wherever you are watching from, remember this, you don't need to settle in one place to live well, you just need a vision. And the courage to move. Asterisk. That's all for today's tour. Like the video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Rolling Mansion. Asterisk, more epic builds, more insane tech, more travel, and more inspiration coming soon. Asterisk. Until next time, I'm Sahib, is how we roll. Asterisk, but wait, we're not done yet. Let's step outside and take a closer look at the exterior features of the Rolling Mansion. Along the side, you'll see multiple slide-outs. These sections expand when parked, increasing the interior space by nearly 40%. That's how we fit all the luxury of a high-end apartment. Inside a vehicle that moves. Notice the detailing on the outside, real wood finish around the windows, handcrafted aluminum trim, and reflective glass that gives you privacy during the day and a clear view at night. There's even an automatic awning that extends with a single voice command, providing instant shade for those sunny days at the beach or in the mountains. And yes, the system is smart. The moment wind speeds pick up, the awning retracts automatically for safety. It's features like this that make the Rolling Mansion smarter than your average home. Now, let's talk about power. The rooftop is lined with solar panels, not just decorative, but highly efficient ones that charge a lithium-ion battery system hidden beneath the floor. This system powers the entire motorhome, from lights to kitchen appliances to climate control. And when needed, the hybrid generator kicks in silently to support long trips or cloudy weeks. Water. We got that covered too. There's a built filtration system that purifies water from any freshwater source. It's connected to a 200-gallon clean water tank and a gray water recycling system. Yes, we recycle, shower, and sink water for use in the toilet. Sustainable, clean, and efficient. And guess what? The motorhome is completely Wi-Fi ready. Satellite internet, 5G antenna, local signal boosting. No matter where I park, forest, desert, or cliffside, I'm always connected. Let's get back inside. This is the guest bedroom. Yup, there's a second sleeping space. It has a convertible bunk system that slides down from the ceiling, sleeps too comfortably. There's even a fold-out privacy screen and built-in reading lights. It's perfect for friends or even filming. Guests who join me on the road. Now I want to show you something special, the tech bay. This is my control hub. Think of it like a server room. All systems, climate, lighting, solar, water, Wi-Fi run through here. I can monitor everything. Through this wall-mounted touch panel, or even from my phone, I get live diagnostics, energy usage data, and alerts for maintenance. And over here, a wall-mounted touchscreen interface for entertainment. Everything is synced. Music in every room, video streaming, and smart assistant voice control. I can say, "Hey mansion, set movie night," and boom, lights dim, blinds drop, screen rolls down, and my lounge turns into a home theater. Remember the rooftop? Let me show you what happens at night. The ceiling panels inside shift to starlight mode. Tiny embedded LED constellations glow based on real-time sky data. If I'm parked under a clear sky, it matches what's above me. Pure magic. And just in case you think it's all glam and no grit, the rolling mansion is designed to handle all seasons. Heated tanks and floors for winter, triple insulated, walls for summer. Rain sensors, flood detectors, and a full 360-degree security camera system that I can access from anywhere. Let me tell you a little about the journey. I've driven this mansion across deserts, through mountain passes, and along coastal roads. Every place I stop, people come out, stunned. They ask, "Is that a truck?" And then they see the inside, their jaws drop. Some think it's fake. Others say it's the future. Me, I call it home. I built the rolling mansion not to escape life, but to live it fully. Every corner of this motorhome reflects a decision. Minimalist design, maximum comfort. Earth-friendly technology, zero compromise. On style, it's not about being rich, it's about being intentional, knowing what you want, and building a life around it. And now, I want to invite you to be part of that journey. Follow me here, on this channel, The Rolling Mansion, for more builds, more places, more experiences. I'll take you behind the scenes, show you how I maintain this beast, upgrade it, live with it, and roll through every kind of terrain. I'm not here to sell a dream, I'm living it. And if you ever thought about changing your life, downsizing, going mobile, or just doing things differently, this is proof that it can be done. The road is long, the world is wide, and comfort doesn't have to mean staying in one place. Home is where you decide to build it, even if it rolls on 60 wheels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Sahib, and this, right here, is the Rolling Mansion. We're just getting started.